for the least among us. It's time for the prophets, the priests, the ministers, the clergy to stand for the hurting, the hungry, the homeless. The moral manifesto is stand for the broken, the battered, the bruised, for the downcast, the dejected, and the despised, for the harassed, the hungry, the hurting, the marginalized, the mashed, the mistreated, for the jobless father, the single mother, the weary grandmother, for the returning inmate who is denied opportunity for restoration. It's time for somebody to take a stand. Who knows? If one stands, two might stand, and more might stand. I don't know about anybody else, but from where I stand, I see there's an army rising up. There's an army rising up to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain.